Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars Thane, the largest and the greenest integrated forest facility in the region, spread over 2 acres. This facility boasts of a large showroom that displays 10 passenger vehicles of Mercedes-Benz and a service center with ultra-modern machinery, tools, body and paint shop that can serve more than 20 customers every day. Complementing this green facility is our first in Mercedes-Benz India network electric charging station that can simultaneously support 2 customers to charge their electric vehicles. The day that we have been waiting for so long has finally arrived. The launch of the first luxury electric passenger vehicle. Here we go.
We are at the launch of all new EQC, and I am Kamran, your host for the evening. I take immense pleasure in welcoming Mr. Sanjay Thakkar, founder of Chairman Group Landmark, and Mr. Aryaman Thakkar, Associate Director Group Landmark, for this special evening. I now call upon Mr. K. Ravishankar, CEO, Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars, Mumbai, to join me to showcase the star of this evening.
Thank you, Kamran. Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy. Today is a big day for Landmark Cars as we introduce the all-electric Mercedes-Benz EQC. Landmark Cars has the widest footprint for Mercedes-Benz passenger vehicles in India, spanning over 4 states, namely Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Mercedes-Benz has been launching a lot of new products in 2020 and we continue to excite our customers even during the lockdown months. We are firm in our commitment towards our customers with our new products and innovative offerings. We know that our customers also want to have physical touch points. Hence, we expect the online sales to complement the brick and mortar sales in the coming future. Talking about our products, under the umbrella of Mercedes-Benz, we have several sub-brands to serve our customers' needs in the best possible way. As you all know, Mercedes-Benz stands for modern luxury and is a combination of timeless beauty and cutting-edge technology. For Mercedes-Benz AMG, we put a clear focus on performance. With Maybach, we give our customers the ultimate luxury. Last but not the least, EQ represents Mercedes-Benz in its most progressive form. Every part of the EQ portfolio is at the forefront of technological progress. In our expanding portfolio, EQ gives customers who are interested in an electric drivetrain a clear orientation and intuitive solutions. Kamran, if you may elaborate, how does the EQ brand differentiates from the other sub-brands? How are you connecting with our customers' emotions?
EQ stands for electric intelligence. Like all Mercedes-Benz brands, it draws its strengths from emotions and intelligence, brand values that captivate the heart and minds of our customers. The goal is to make EQ the coolest and most desirable tech and electric brand in the industry. We can achieve this with human-centered innovations. This means we look at every aspect of our product and ask ourselves, what do our customers really need? How can we serve them even better? How can we inspire people and spark their interest in electric mobility?
Oh, this is quite interesting how Mercedes-Benz has tried to create a niche for EQ brand, and I'm sure customers are going to appreciate this.
We have a power-packed salsa duo performance for the evening. Please do enjoy.
shifting from brand values to the product itself that has created so much of excitement among our customers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to present to you all the all-new EQC. May I call upon Mr. Sanjay Thakkar, Founder Chairman, Group Landmark, and Mr. Aryaman Thakkar, Associate Director, Group Landmark, to unveil the all-new Mercedes-Benz EQC. I now request Mr. Sanjay Thakkar to say a few words.
Thanks, Ravi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Electric first is an essential part of the global strategy of Mercedes-Benz. With the all-new EQC, I'm happy to announce the introductory price of 99.3 lakhs for the first 50 vehicles in India. Enjoy electric with our beautiful EQC.
I now call upon Mr. Aryaman Thakkar to say a few words on Group Landmark and its commitment to a greener future.
Thank you, Ravi. So at Group Landmark, we are committed to the green initiative. We embarked on this journey a few years back with a commitment to offset our carbon footprint. And we have done this successfully by planting close to 70,000 tree saplings and adopting an area of close to 1 lakh square meters in Gujarat. These saplings will offset close to 1 million kgs of carbon throughout their life cycle. And we will not stop here. We will continue to add close to 50,000 trees every year for the foreseeable future. And with the launch of the EQ brand and the Mercedes-Benz EQC, I'm sure Mercedes has the same vision to drive towards a greener tomorrow.
Thank you, Aryaman.
Kamran, let's now explore the new EQC.
Sure. To start with the front part of the car, of the EQC, you see a classic and an elegant design of a typical Mercedes-Benz car. We have this beautiful DRL running across with the headlamps, the multi-beam headlamps. The inner housing is in gloss black with a distinctive trim in blue, which gives an amazing look to the car. I'm sure in the night it will catches the eye as well. Coming to the side profile of the car, we have the alloy wheels here. They are 20-inch 10-spoke light alloy wheels painted in black, and they do have the blue elements on it as well. Let's talk about the badging on the EQC on the side profile as well. Nice piano black color with the blue EQC elements here, reminding us that it's an electric. When we are at the side profile of the car, let me explain you one of the convenience feature of the car, which is the easy access or smart entry for the car. When you put your hand here and the car is locked, the car is unlocked. You open the door. That's convenience for you. Coming to the rear portion of the car, let's talk about the coupe-like look of the EQC. Beautiful looking distinctive tail lamp gives EQC amazing look. When we are at the rear, let me explain you the hands-free access to the EasyPack tailgate. So here we go. Now coming to the charging system, here we have the wall mount. This is the charging gun. We have two ports here, one for the AC charging setup, and when we have a DC charging setup, we have both the ports here, and we plug it in. Coming to the interiors of the all-new EQC, we can see here a lot of aluminum and rose gold element. The top stitching on the dashboard to the cassette type blower design with the rose gold elements, the top stitching on the armrest, the stitching on the seats, they're all in rose gold, which enhances the overall appeal of the EQC. Coming to the comfort and the luxury of the EQC, we have the energizing package as well. Energizing comfort programs include refresh vitality, training, 3-minute audio information tips to relax your muscles. With this, it also comes with energizing coach,
front seat heating, air balance package for fragnencing and ambient lighting with program-specific lighting modes.
The most interesting part of this telematic MBUX is the voice control. I'll give you a small demo. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
change the radio frequency to 93.5. That's the beauty of it.
Ownership experience is an important differentiator, and Mercedes-Benz is known for its service packages that remains industry's benchmark. The EQC comes with 5 years unlimited kilometers service package and warranty. We are introducing the industry's first battery cover of 8 years or 1,60,000 kilometers. Customers do not have to worry at all about the battery powering the EQC. A 8-year battery cover will last the lifetime of the car. With that, we come to the end of this evening launch. Though we could not meet all of you in person, we hope you are taking good care of your health and staying healthy and staying fit. Thank you very much.
Mercedes.
How can I help you?